Boom. B-Fam back in the house once again. Ethan TV coming at you from Londinium, England. Going out to all my fellow Ethereans across planet Earth, no matter what country you are in. Now, the other day, a friend of mine asked me, yo, B-Fam, why do you start off your videos with a boom? I turned around to him and said, yo, we're living in a booming time. Some people call it the information age. Some people call it the age of Aquarius. There's other names. Some people call it the golden age or the sun cycle. For further information, go to Malachi Z. York's books. Link in the description. It will explain to you the different cycles that this planet goes through, the universe, your body, etc. Because there's cycles within cycles within cycles. We're talking infinity, people. We don't deal with no limits here, not on this channel. So I know if you're listening to this channel, you are an unlimited being. There's no limit to what you can do, to your potential. That is so great to know that you're with me on this journey. Anyway, look at the screen. What does it say? Learn to money. Young people need to learn to money. Go and check out this website. This website is done by this great brother called Tyrone Ross, named CEO of OnRamp Invest. Go and do some research on this brother here. He's setting up a business for financial advisors in the crypto space. He's been involved in crypto for the past 4 or 5 years plus, and now he's setting up a company around that. Go and check him out. Another place you can go and see an interview is allaboutyourbenjamins.com. Just tap in Tyrone Ross, finding purpose with OnRamp. Go and check out the interview. It's such a great interview with this guy. What can I say? People doing big things. I love it. I love to see this. People doing big things. I don't care who you are. If you're doing something positive, hey, thumbs up to you. Right. Let's get into the video. Big news, people. Big news. Amazon set to launch its own digital currency. This came out yesterday or a few days ago. Well, I'm just getting it today. Right. Amazon is laying the groundwork for a new digital currency for use on its own platform and marketplaces. New job listings suggest. You can go into the article, but listen to what I'm saying. I've been telling people for time, you're going to have 3 different types of cryptocurrency. The first ones are the decentralized ones, like your Bitcoin, like your Ethereum, like your Litecoin, etc. Secondly, you're going to have corporate cryptocurrencies, like your Amazons, like your Googles, right? But they're going to be controlled. They're controlled by these companies, and we ain't got time for that. Then you're going to have CBDCs, central bank cryptocurrencies, government cryptocurrencies, your digital dollar, your digital pound, etc. These ones are going to be controlled by the government. We don't deal with that. We deal with decentralized stuff on this channel. All right, we may dabble in it, but fundamentally, we are dealing with decentralized cryptocurrencies where we have control. Not no company, not no government. You hear me, people? That's where we head into this thing here, right? Because why? Because we got our own minds. We can think for ourselves. We don't need no third party thinking for us. You crazy? Anyway, next story. Morgan Stanley investment arm weighs adding Bitcoin to its list of bets. Bloomberg News. This came out 53 minutes ago. Boom, boom, boom. It's pure bombs. I don't know about you, but since I started this channel back in August, right? Even before then, it's been pure news articles coming from these big corporate guys that are jumping into the crypto market. Now, do I need my daughter to draw you guys a picture of what's going on? I hope not. I hope not. Anyway, check out that article in your own time. Right, today's video, the main gist of this video is all about Icon. Right, we're even going to go into the prices today. Today's the weekend. Today's the 13th of the 2nd, 2021. You can see Bitcoin is still dabbling near that 50,000 mark. Well, it's either give or take. It will get there sooner or later. It will get there, definitely. But today we're going to be talking about Icon. Let's scroll down to where are you? Icon, 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 icon. Where are you? Here we are. Right. As you can see, Icon is number 63 in coinmarketcap.com. Right now, it's trading at $1.66. In the last 24 hours, it's gone up 24%. In the last week, it's gone up 104%. It has a market cap of 946 million. Volume 307 million. We like that. We can go in and out. Even if you've got a few million, you got no problem of buying and selling your bags because there's millions flowing through this specific cryptocurrency on a daily basis. Yeah. Circulating supply 587 million. Now let's have a click on it and get some more info for my fellow Ethereans out there. And any newbies to the channel, I welcome you. You've just turned into a fellow Etherean. Why do I call you guys Ethereans? Why did I name the channel Ether9 TV? It's all about the Ether. It's all about Ethereum, baby. That's what it's about. And another thing, if you really want to find out more about the Ethers, again, go and check out Dr. Malachi Z. York's the link in the description, drmalachizyorkbooks.com, I think it is. I think it's .com. Anyway, go and check it out in the description of the video. It's always there. You get a whole new world of information there. Because as I said, we are in the information age, people. It's not just information coming from, myself and different sources. There's some real information out here for you to check out. But anyway, let's get back to Icon. So, the total supply we have is 800 million. So, more or less, all of the the coins, because this has its own blockchain. Yeah. So, all of its circulating supply, majority, is out there in the market. Let's scroll down to the chart. As you can see, Icon came out back in 2017 when I got into the market. And Icon started off around 60 odd cents from around October the 31st. And let's have a look, come on. By around about the 13th of January 2018, Icon was around $9. In fact, I think it went up slightly up to about $12 and change. So in the space of a few weeks, Icon had done some crazy numbers, people. And then from there, we experienced the bear market, which I experienced all the way back down, as you can see, 23 cents. I think it was the lowest. In fact, 11 cents it hit the lowest. But as you can see, right, the volume has always been good on Icon. Always. In fact, at the beginning, 89,000. Yeah, not too shabby. And then from there, it just rolls up. Crazy volume. And even in the bear market, on a daily basis, the volume was like 10 million, 8 million. Yeah, so there's money still flowing through this particular cryptocurrency, which is giving you an indicator there is action taking place. It's still alive. It ain't dead. People hasn't given up on it totally, right? So now the volume is increasing, and as we can see, 321 million and going on strong. So what is Icon? Some of you may be asking, what's this Icon business? And let me just scroll down and just show you where you can purchase Icon from if you do decide to do it at the end of this video at some point. I ain't telling you to buy Icon. I'm just giving you the information about Icon, what it is, and the potential of Icon. Simple as that. Now, these are the markets where you can purchase Icon from: Binance, Upbit, Huobi, Bithumb, all big top exchanges, Kraken, Crypto.com. It's on loads of exchanges. The more exchanges a crypto is on, the more volume, the more exposure it has out there across planet Earth. All right. So it's on quite a few exchanges. So, it's a big kahuna in the world, right? It's a boss, especially with that market cap. I mean, it's not a small market cap, right? But today I'm giving you a coin that's been around for a few years. It has legs. It's not a scam coin. It's still got good amount of money going through it, so you can get in and out easily. It's on loads of exchanges. That's what you want to see. Yeah, I'm not giving you no high risk coin, because those are real high risk ones, those small caps, and you could get blown up like a stealth bomb hitting a ship. Right, let me just show you a few more things. 1 second. All right, let's go to their website. So what you do also, go to their chat, their community, right? You can link on their Telegram, their Twitter, Reddit, etc. Go and ask questions that you want to ask. Go to their Telegram, read their white paper. Let's go to their website and see what Icon is all about. Right, Icon is a blockchain protocol for decentralized applications and interoperability. So this is similar to Ethereum. It's another blockchain protocol foundation we're dealing with here, right? First of all, because what you want to have in your portfolio is a few foundational cryptocurrencies. Yeah. So that's when you get the applications building on top of these different types of blockchains out there. Just like a road system, you've got a road, you've got the M1 or whatever, the highway that you live on, whatever country, you've got things built on that road, petrol stations, shops, houses, etc. This is what they have to be visualizing these blockchains as. Yeah. So the Icon network includes the Soul government. For all your people who don't know what soul is, some of us have a soul. I ain't talking about that soul inside your body. No, I'm talking about Korea on the planet Earth, right? So in the Far East, this is where they have connections with. Back in the day, in 2017, they used to call Icon the Ethereum killer. Will Icon be the Ethereum killer? You had so much of that talk in 2017, 2018, because everybody wanted to be the next Ethereum, right? Well, you can't. You can just be what you are, innit? Because there's enough meat on the bone out here. All right. What, you think Ethereum's gonna have all 7 billion people on the planet build their applications on it? No, 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 no. That's why you have different blockchains like this one I'm showing you today, Icon. Yeah. Also, They've partnered up with Samsung, big in the game, Line, and some of the world's largest corporations. Right. So you can go and do your research and look more into all those different partnerships that Icon has. So some of the key Icon use cases. A decentralized ID app that utilizes the Icon protocol built by members of the My ID Alliance that includes industry leaders. So basically, you're having a application on your phone to prove who you are. All that paperwork, yeah, birth certificate, was that all out the window. We're going decentralized, people. I told you, we're in a decentralized world right now. Everything is digital. Beam me up, Scotty. Yeah. Anyway, Visit Me, a visitor management solution used by more than 200,000 users, including major hotels, cafes, and public sites. Yeah, so these are just some of the use cases that Icon is dealing with. IconFi, a crypto staking and earn service for the Icon community. Yeah, yeah. So what's that mean? Well, you can earn money passively with Icon. I think you get around 12% if you stake it. So this is another cryptocurrency that you can earn passive income off if you have it in their wallet. Okay, you download their wallet onto your PC or your phone, and you put you transfer your Icon onto it, right? Where you own the keys, the private keys, the password, etc. And then you will be earning 12% APR on it, as it says here, 12% per one ICX staked. That's what we're talking about, people. We love that passive income. We love passive income. How else are you going to get wealthy? You need to build up your passive income plays. Yeah. So, as I said, do your own research into it. This is just a brief talk run over to tell you what Icon is, right, my people? Let's go to the chart. Now, this chart, what you're looking at, we are using TradingView for those people who don't know. This is where you go onto TradingView and you can map out the historic price action of Icon or any other cryptocurrency in the market. What we're looking on here is ICX, that's a ticker symbol, to BTC. So that's Icon pairing it with Bitcoin value. So this is a monthly chart. The M stands for month. And let's click on a weekly chart first of all. All right, let's make this a bit smaller for you guys so you can see. 1 second. Come on. One moment, people. Sometimes this can be a bit fiddly. Right. Right, as we can see, Bit Icon is at 3,527 Satoshis right now. Back in the day, Icon reached up to just over 9,000 Satoshis. Oh, sorry, my bad. 90,000 Satoshis. Did you hear what I said, people? 90,000 Satoshis. And right now, you are looking at 3,545 Satoshis if you buy Icon at this present moment in time. Now, if Icon goes back up to this level, which there is a high probability it will in the near future, I said a high probability, nothing is guaranteed because everything is based on probability, my people. Nothing's guaranteed, right? There's a risk element involved. So bear that in mind, right? If it makes it just to that point, because you know what happens when a asset or any of these cryptos go and reach their previous all-time high. What happens? They go to lally. They go for the moon and beyond. They go crazy. And they go to what you call price discovery. Another thing in the trading, investing arena, there's a saying, the bigger the base, the higher up into space. Now, Icon has been based out since October 2018 in this long down trend. But now it's just starting to break out. So if it does go back to its previous all-time high, and we're looking at the Bitcoin value, mind you, right? You will make an increase of over 2,000%. 2,000% on your Bitcoin value. Do you hear me, people? 2,000%. That's 20x, 20 times your Bitcoin. So you put 1,000 Satoshis, 10,000, a million, 10 million. You put 10 million Satoshis into Icon and it does a 20x. You're walking out with 2 whole Bitcoin. Why? Because there's 100 million in each Bitcoin. That's how we increase our Bitcoin, my people, without buying Bitcoin. You see where I'm going with this? You are ahead of the masses. You are ahead of the money people on the planet because you and I know how to increase our Bitcoin without buying Bitcoin. Why? Because we buy the altcoins and we make crazy gains, be it in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or dollar value. I don't care. Either of those 3, I'm up with. And so should you, right? So when you're buying any of these coins, tokens, make sure you look at the Bitcoin value, the Ethereum value, and the dollar value when you first buy it. When you come to sell it, you check all 3 pairings to make sure you sell into whatever pair that is giving you the best returns. And that's how we make copious amounts of Satoshis and Gwe and dollars and pounds and yen, whatever, right? That's how we do it. So Let's type in ICX to US dollar. Let's have a look. In fact, now let's have a look at Ethereum. Let's have a look at Ethereum. So if we buy now, right, buying with dollars or Ethereum if you've got some, or Bitcoin, if we say, for example, and this is not financial advice, if you bought it now, right? Let's have a measuring tool. Let's get the measuring tool out. You go to this left hand side here. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? All right, price range. You click on price range. You go to the price it's at now, and you go all the way up, like Fat Joe. We're going all the way up. But he ain't no longer Fat Joe. That guy's slimming down, you know. That guy's on a diet. He's looking good. Anyway, 800% on your money. 800% on your money. You put 1 ether on this, you're walking out with 8 ether. Yeah, if it goes back up to its all-time high. Even if it don't, yeah, you come out with 4 ether, whatever. But as I said, there's a good high probability that Icon will go back to its all-time high in dollar value and ETH value and Bitcoin value, and then from there, it's flying. It's off to the races. I can't tell you how long it's going to take. It's going to take a time period. But remember, in that time period, you can always take out some profit. Always take profit on the way up. Always. And leave some behind for the moon bag. All right? That's how we do it. That's how we keep ourselves safe in this investment stroke trading world of cryptocurrency. Right? All right. Let's go and look at the dollar chart now. ICX. So what we're looking for is ICX USD. Yeah, on Binance. You can do it on any platform, but I like to use Binance. Right. Let's delete this one here. 1 second, my people. Let me just delete this. Let's go back to the price range. I was clicking the wrong one. And we go over to the price on the right hand side. And we measure it all the way up. Just give it, it doesn't have to be right and exact. All right, 643%. If it goes back up to $11 and change from this price, from the price it's at now. Yeah. So what's higher, people? 600%, or Bitcoin at 20%, or Ethereum at or Bitcoin at 2,000%, right? Or Ethereum at 800%. Well, obviously it's Bitcoin, but as I said, you can take profits for all of them on the way up when it's rising, right? Because you need to fill up all 3 of your bags of ETH, Bitcoin, and dollars, because you need all 3, right? But we utilize these smaller coins in the market to do that, rather than putting all of your money on Bitcoin or putting all of your money on Ethereum, right? I'm not saying don't buy Ethereum. I'm not saying don't buy Bitcoin. You have a little Bitcoin and Ethereum in your main long-term portfolio, right? And when I say long-term portfolio, I mean long-term portfolio. I mean, you don't even sell that Ethereum. You don't even sell that Bitcoin. You can borrow it off platforms like Celsius and Nexo and others out there. You can put your crypto on these platforms and use it as collateral. You don't need to sell your Bitcoin and Ethereum, people. Get that in your head. Please don't do it. Because you think these millionaires and billionaires are going to be doing that? No. No, no, no. Anyway. So you can see the potential of Icon. Now let's go into a quick article. Could Icon challenge Ethereum? This came out recently. If you go to uxsequence.io, or just go to the link in the description. I'll put the link in my description of the video. If not, just go to the website, check out the article. It will give you more information about Icon and what they're doing at present, right? It's loads. It's absolutely loads. But that's to give you a heads up. I'm giving you the information so you can go and check it out for yourself and make an informed decision on what to do, right? let's just read this little bit here. Who is using the Icon network? Cheyenne Bank. Cheyenne Bank is based in the capital city of Seoul and is the second largest commercial bank in Korea. Did you hear that, people? The second largest bank. On the 26th of September 2020, the huge Korean bank announced that they would be using Icon Loop technology in their mobile banking app, SOL. Do you see what's taking place, people? Do you see what's taking place out here? Crazy, crazy amounts of money in this crypto space. The banks are getting on board. Companies are getting on board. The little retailers are getting on board. Man, the fish in the sea soon get on board. Anyway, right. That's the end of the video today, right? And as I said, all links, if all of my videos, right, you just click on show me more and it will give you all my affiliate links or links to, or non-affiliate links to different places that you can go and check out, exchanges where you can go and sign up and buy your crypto, or if you're a trader, you can do some leverage trading or Swissborg, etc., etc., etc. You get drinks for some, you get a little kickback for some of them. There's some health, vital.co.uk for those people that live in London, England. Go and check out that for your health, right? You got token metrics to give you a heads up, an assistant, AI assistant to help you in your investing and trading journey. There's so much here. There's so much here. You've got Celsius network. You've got Wirex. If you want to spend your get your cards, get your debit cards, crypto debit cards. When you get that profit, transfer it onto your card. Go and spend it. Yeah, you deserve to spend it. Spend it how you want to spend it. It's your money. It's your crypto. Yeah. Um, as I said, the best books on the planet, malakaziyorksbooks.com. Go and check out this information. This information is for everybody on the planet, but more than so, especially my woolly-haired Nubian black people across the planet, because you guys need to know who you really are, the ancient Egyptians. That's right, I said it. You are the ancient Egyptians across the planet. But unfortunately, majority of you don't even know it. That's why BFAM is here to tell you. Wagwan. Yeah? So go and check out drmalakaziyorksbooks.com. You be more, if you think this crypto thing is overwhelming, woo! As I said, Dr. Malakazi York books, it will peel off your face, man. It will melt your face. It will take you there. You think this crypto journey is deep? Man, you don't know nothing yet until you go and read some of Dr. Malakazi York's books. Then you're gonna know about what's deep. Just have your swimming gear on if you can swim. If you can't swim, just get those round things that you put across your arm that you can inflate and you just float. You'll be all right. Yeah. So don't worry, you won't drown. Anyway, BFAM, you know how it is. I got to love you. I got to leave you. I got things to do. I got to deal with the children. I got to deal with that. I got to deal with this. You know how it is. Constantly busy, but we like being busy. Why? This ain't work. This is play. Anyway, peace and love to you all.